To complete the fall registration process, you will need to log into your AUHSD account. From the district website or your student's school website, find the AUHSD Parent Portal link and log in using your email address and password that you've used before. Your email address for AUHSD login is most likely the email address we have on account for you. If you do not remember your login credentials, please click on the Forgot Password link and then use the email address to reset your password. Once logged into your account, you'll be greeted by the fall registration screen. For parents who have more than one student in the district, you'll need to complete this process for each student separately. To switch between students, from the top portion of your screen, click on the drop-down menu and select the other student or students you may have in the district. Again, you'll need to complete this process for each student separately. You'll notice that there are a few steps that you must complete in order to complete the entire fall registration process. The first step is to indicate if a parent or guardian is in the United States Armed Services. At the end of every section, you will click on Confirm and Continue to go on to the next section. The second section is directory information, where we list contact information for parent, the primary phone number, and the student's mobile phone number. This mobile phone number is only used in case of emergencies. To change any of this information, click on the Change button, make the edits that you need to make, and then click on the Save button. If you change your residence address, school staff will contact you for residency verification and more documentation. Click on the Confirm and Continue button to go on to the next screen. The third screen has contact information, including contact information for parents and guardians. To change contact information for any contact listed, please click on the pencil icon to make changes. To see full detail on the contact, click on More Info, and it will show you what type of communication that contact receives. In this case, Jonah Langbrar, the father, receives both general and emergency notifications and also the attendance notification. To make any edits, click on the pencil icon, and in the new pop-up window, please update any information needed, including phone number, mobile phone number, and please make sure to include the parent education level, as we have to report this data to the state. To make changes to notification, what type of notification any contact receives, under the notification preference, click on the drop-down menu and change as needed. For emergency contacts, for example, grandparents or neighbors, please change that to emergency notifications or do not contact for anyone else listed. Once completed, click on the Save button. To add additional contacts, please click on the Add button and add any additional contacts. After you're finished this screen, please click on the Confirm and Continue button to move on to required notifications for this school year. The very first section you'll see is the school web store. Your contributions support numerous programs, activities, and events at each one of our schools. Clicking anywhere in that box to visit the school web store will open up a new tab in your screen where you can complete the web store process. If you do not have an account, you can create an account here and make all your contribution and purchases. Once you are finished, please close the tab to return back to the fall registration process. You'll notice that the web store section has been checked off and cleared for you. The next section is for reduced fees and reduced meal programs. It has two sections, the free reduced fees and meal program. Many students in our district are eligible for the federal free and reduced lunch meal program, and the eligibility for this program also comes with other benefits, including reduced SAT, ACT exam fees, reduced application fees for colleges, a free ASB card, free fee waivers for PE uniforms, and much more. Clicking on this box will open up a new tab where you can complete the free and reduced meal application, and you'll be notified of your eligibility. For students who wish to purchase additional meals, more than 2 meals a day, or add a la carte items. You can add money to a student's cafeteria account by clicking here. And the final required component is the annual parent notifications and advisements. Clicking in this box will open up our district website where all of our required notifications for the year are listed. Closing that tab will bring you back to the fall registration, and you can then click on the Confirm and Continue button. The next screen has required authorizations and questions that we need answered to help complete the process. The very first one is going to be around a school-issued Chromebook. Most students bring a personal device to use at school. However, any student who needs a school-issued Chromebook will be issued one in our district, and clicking yes or no here will let us know how many Chromebooks are needed. The following are acknowledgements to those notifications that we saw in the previous screen. Please make sure that you read through and indicate your preference. The next two are for release of information to outside agencies and for us to include your students' picture or video in school publications. So if you would allow or deny, and then click on the Save button. And then click on Confirm and Continue to go on to the next screen. The next step in the process is to upload residency verification documents. Please note that you will need to upload two documents. The first one should be a document included in Group 1, and the second document must be a document listed under Group 2. Scrolling further down to this section allows you to upload these documents. For Group 1 document, click on Select Documents and find the document that you want to upload. And then for the second group, the same steps. Click on the Select Documents, select the document that you want to upload, and click Select. We recommend uploading PDF documents as it makes it easier for us to open and verify those documents. Again, to go on to the next screen, please click on the Confirm and Continue button. This is the final verification screen, and it allows you the opportunity to visit the school web store if you weren't able to complete it in the Documents section, and allows you to verify any information. The final step is for you to click on the Finish and Submit button. Only after you click on the Finish and Submit button does the school receive notification that you have completed the entire process. The final confirmation screen tells you that you will receive a data confirmation email from the school district from the email address listed on this screen. Please note that this confirms that you have completed the process, but does not confirm residency verification. School staff will verify residency documents and contact you if there are any issues or we need further clarification. If you do not receive any information from the school staff around residency verification, please know that the documents you uploaded were adequate and we do not need to do anything further. This concludes the fall registration process, and your child should bring a digital copy or a printed copy of the email that you received from do not reply@auhsdschools.org. Thank you.